If you want to learn how to do your makeup at home, then stay tuned. This is a natural makeup look and it's an easy step-by-step guide. You want to start off with a clean face, a clean base. All right, so let's get started. First, we're going to start off by brushing our eyebrows in the direction that we want them to go. So it is best to either get your eyebrows arched or do a cleanup yourself. I'm just letting mine grow out right now, but I do not recommend this. If your eyebrows already have an arch, it makes it easier, especially for beginners. Then I'm going to start sketching out the shape that I want my eyebrows to go in. You see I have excessive eyebrows at the bottom, so I'm just going to ignore those and I'm going to draw the line above that. Whatever you do on one side, you have to do on the other. Now keep in mind, your eyebrows are not going to be identical twins. It might be sisters or cousins, I don't know, but if you do mess up, there is always room to fix it. I'm going to start off by cleaning up my eyebrows. My personal preference when I'm doing a natural look is to use the foundation that I'll be using on my face. You can use concealer, however, I don't recommend for beginners because it's easier to just blend the foundation and you don't have to worry about blending too much, etc., etc. Once you get the desired shape at the bottom, you're going to do the same to the top. You're going to sketch it out and voila. As I said before, if you do it on one side, you have to do it on the other. Now, if it doesn't come out the way you desire, don't worry about it. You're still beginning and you'll get better in due time. This is not my best look. However, I was pleased. Then you're going to take a fluffy brush and you're going to blend the foundation out. See, I messed my eyebrows up. They was definitely estranged friends. So I tried to clean it up a little bit. Being that I'm doing a natural look, I am just going to use a light brown. Right here, this is a bronzer from Anastasia. I'm going to take a fluffy eyeshadow brush and just cover all my lids. It's no particular way, I just swipe left and right. Then you want to moisturize your face. My moisturizer of choice is the F Holy Hydration. I love those products. You can find that at Ulta. That's where I got mine from. It was like $14. After you moisturize, you definitely want to prime your face. I'm using a Wet n Wild primer to prime my face. I got that from Ulta as well. It's like $4 and it works really good. I'm going to let that dry and then I'm going to take my foundation and typically, if you want to do a dramatic look, I'll put concealer under my eye. But being that I'm trying to go for a natural look, I'm just going to put the foundation under my eye and apply it everywhere else. Make sure that you don't apply too much because you want this to be a natural look. Next, I'm going to take my setting spray that I got from Fashion Nova. And it actually works really well and spread it on my face. After I blend the foundation in, I'm going to take some setting powder and place it under my eye just so that that foundation doesn't crease. Now, you can stop here, but if you want to get more definition in your face, you can definitely add some concealer. My concealer of choice is the e.l.f. Camel Concealer. I'm going to place that right by my, right where my sideburns is at. Just take it across. Now, if that's enough for you, you can stop there. But I'm going to also apply blush. I love to put blush on my face now these days. It definitely, I don't know, it does something for me. So I'm going to take some Anastasia liquid lipstick and apply it right above where I put the concealer, the dark concealer. Once I blend everything in, I'm going to go on top of the contour with the bronzer and that sets it. And on top of the blush, the liquid blush that I put on, which was actually lipstick, I'm then going to apply a powdered blush that sets it. Then I'm going to set my face again with the Fashion Nova setting spray. Don't forget to apply the mascara before you apply your lashes. With makeup, sometimes you really have to trust the process. It doesn't look good at the beginning sometimes, but then at the end it's like, oh my gosh, I didn't know that I can create this. So be gentle with yourself. Show yourself some grace. I typically get all my lashes from Dollar Tree, honey. Dollar Tree have the best lashes to me. I love them. Can't go wrong, honey, if it's any occasion. Anywho, didn't use the lash that I showed. I ended up using a lash that was loose inside my drawer, honey. And she was a bit dramatic, so use your lash of preference. I had to go in and fix my eyebrows because it looked like they was beefing. It looked like they was like really, really beefing. They had nothing in common, okay? I love to apply a little glow. So I'm always going to apply a highlighter to my face. I'm then going to slap that wig on top of those twists as if I have a laid braiding foundation. Honey, but could you tell? Not really, until you look really close. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask them below in the comments. I hope you all have a great day. See you on the next video.